Okay, so I just came across this new IRC client called halloy and it's written in Rust. That's pretty cool, right?
Wait, Rust? That's interesting. I've heard it's supposed to be super efficient. What makes HAL stand out?
Well, it aims to be simple and fast across all platforms, Mac, Windows, and Linux. But here's the kicker, it's open source.
Oh, open source is a big deal. That means anyone can contribute or tweak it. Did you see what features it offers?
Yeah, it supports IRC3, two capabilities like account notifications and away notifications. How useful is that?
Super useful. It really helps with user engagement. But I wonder if everyone actually needs all those features.
Good point, too many features can overwhelm users. I mean, not everyone is a power user, right?
Exactly. Some folks just want a straightforward chat experience. What about the installation process?
It seems pretty user-friendly. There's documentation available for both the latest release and building from source.
That's key. Clear documentation can make or break a project. Is it available on major platforms?
Yep, you can find Halloy on Flathub and the Snap Store. It really opens it up for more users.
Right, so accessibility is a big focus here. But what about security? I assume they have that covered.
Definitely, it has SASL support and even DCC send for file transfers. That's an interesting combo.
SASL is crucial for secure logins, but DCC can be a double-edged sword if not handled properly.
True, DCC can expose users to risks, especially if they're not tech-savvy. I wonder how they address that.
It's worth looking into their documentation to see if they provide guidelines. Do you think they have a community?
They encourage joining Hal on Libera, chat for questions. That's a great way to build a community.
Absolutely. A supportive community can help new users feel less lost. Have you seen any user feedback?
Not yet, but it'll be interesting to see what early adopters think. I suspect they'll appreciate the customization options.
Custom themes can really enhance the user experience. But aren't there already many IRC clients out there?
For sure, the market is saturated, so Hali needs to carve out its niche. Simplicity might be its best bet.
Exactly. But I wonder if simplicity can hold up against more established clients with extensive features.
That's a fair concern. Often, users stick to what they know, but sometimes a fresh approach can attract attention.
True, and being open source allows for rapid improvements based on user feedback, which is a big advantage.
Right? They can adapt quicker than proprietary software. It's a fascinating dynamic in the tech world.
Speaking of dynamics, I wonder how the Rust language impacts performance compared to Java or Python in this context.
Rust's memory safety and concurrency are big selling points, but it does have a steeper learning curve.
That's true. I always thought Java was easier for beginners, but Rust can offer better performance in the long run.
Totally, plus, the fact that Rust is gaining popularity suggests more developers might dive into it.
Exactly. New tools like HAL could inspire more developers to explore Rust. It could be a win-win.
But let's consider this. Are there enough tutorial resources to support newcomers learning both Rust and HAL?
That's a great question. If resources are lacking, it could hinder adoption. Accessibility is key.
Right, and HAL could establish itself as a learning platform, offering tutorials alongside its client.
That'd be smart. But how do they balance providing features for advanced users while still being beginner-friendly?
I think it comes down to user experience design. Intuitive interfaces can make complex features easier to access.
Exactly. And layered complexity helps too. Users can grow into advanced features as they become more comfortable.
So if HAL can strike that balance, it may succeed where others have struggled.
Absolutely. It's an interesting case study in software development. I can't wait to see how it evolves.
Same here, this whole landscape of IRC clients is changing, and HAL might be a part of that shift.
Definitely, so many layers to consider. I wonder how the community will shape its future.
That's the big question. It'll also be interesting to see if they can maintain user engagement over time.
For sure, with the fast pace of tech, staying relevant is a challenge, but it can be done.
So true, I guess we'll just have to keep an eye on HAL and see how it develops.